Alright, so overall, we're kind of bearish with the asset. No, sorry, with the NAS. I feel like our next target mainly for NAS right now is this major draw on liquidity. Here, this daily, you want to see something happen either here or potentially even this order block. This daily order block that we have. So I'm gonna mark out this order block from the wick. I'm gonna tell what that is. And I want to see price really just push down, but before we push down, price has to come up. I want to see price maybe even push into this imbalance here before we further push down. But ideally, I would want to see like this 15-minute close to confirm that okay, this isn't just a liquidity sweep now. We're actually getting bearish price action. After that, I'd want to see price come up, social respectment of this I think it's a 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute fair value gap. Once we get that respectment of this 30-minute fair value gap, then and only then I'll scale down into the lower time frames and look for some lower time frame price action. Maybe like a 1-minute inverse fair value gap start to be formed. And then after, we target all the way down here. Target this. Firstly, this order block. I don't think it'll go all the way down here unless something crazy happens. But I'll mainly target this order block entry here. And if I do have any, extra drawn liquidity that has been printed along the way, then I'll probably enter there as well. But, we just have to wait and see what price does. So I'm currently far away from my setup right now, but I've entered this trade on NAS. So my confluence is firstly, on let's say about the 15-minute, we are currently at the equilibrium point, which is still in that previous imbalance which I was just talking about. And then let me just make sure my mic is still on. Yeah, it is. And then we have printed a SMT divergence at this high. I see this high here hasn't been taken, but on NAS it has, suggesting that NAS is the lagging indicator. And now I originally wanted to enter from here, but I was too slow in the process of doing it and then price pushed down. So now we just have to let price do its thing. And yeah, I'm still targeting this order block. However, I'm kind of wary that this draw on liquidity is here. I'm currently seeing price come to this 3-minute fair value gap as well. It's not really something that I'm scared of, because like I said, price is looking very much bearish, and boom, we just had a massive retracement. As I'm saying that, not saying that it can't go back up, but it's not something that I was originally scared of anyways. I kind of just tapped into that 3-minute fair value gap, and then I'm not saying it's confirmed yet, but we have dropped. And I would want to see confirmation, maybe a close below here. And this could potentially be a second entry if we confirm this. Close below. If we close below here, I probably would add a second entry. And my stop loss will be just above this fair value gap for this second entry. No, I wish I had it on record, but price did just spike up all the way up to here, but we still have sort of respected this fair value gap that I've previously drawn out. So yeah, as long as we close below here, I think we're about to, oh no, actually this is a new 3-minute, but yeah, as long as I get some sort of close below these levels, yeah, I'll probably even enter now actually. So I'm going to enter an additional trade now. Now I am currently back at my normal setup, but I'm currently in bar replay mode because it's actually the next day and I forgot to hit record. But what I ended up doing was rather than taking partial profits here, I ended up taking full profits here. Now, my reasoning for that was because I noticed that there was, these draws on liquidities here, here, and here that I didn't really like, and I was thinking price could potentially come back up after just sweeping this liquidity and could come back up and maybe continue back down, but I didn't want to take that risk, so I ended up just changing my full profit rather than it being at this order block. I took full profits at this area of liquidity.